Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to share with you how you can factory reset the Eufy Cam free. So what you want to try is two things. The first thing that you can try to do is to begin locating the camera, and from the back you're gonna have the sync button. Just locate the sync button and just want to press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. So you can just press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. The second thing that you can try to do is just you're gonna press like 5 to 10 times really quickly the sync button and try these two things, and one of it is possibly going to work out. So we're just gonna locate the sync button and you just want to press and hold it for 10 seconds. Or what you can try to do is just like quickly press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 really quickly, and some of it I hope is going to work out regards the reset, because there isn't a lot of information regards the Eufy Cam free on how you can reset it. So this is something that I researched for you. Thank you very much for watching and hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.